Hello my dear viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel. So we are sharing the videos of vocabulary on daily basis. I hope that you are enjoying those videos, and also I really hope that all of you are safe and secure at your home. I know that the lockdown situation is becoming quite intolerable right now, but actually it is the need of hour. Otherwise, the society may turn upside down and it will be a huge chaos for all of us. So this COVID-19 is teaching a lot of things to us. And you also know that we are sharing the vocabulary on daily basis. But now in this video, we will be learning the new words with the help of the current topics. The most current topic of today is COVID-19. Everyone is behind the coronavirus situation, seeking out new things, and always everyone is in the hurry to get the knowledge, new knowledge, and even new information when the lockdown will be over. So in this video, I will be covering some new information, some sentences, some words in relation to COVID-19 and lockdown situations, so that we can retain those words for long time in the memory. And apart from this, I would like to inform you that today is International Nurses Day. This means आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय Nurses Day है. So via this video, I will be giving my salute, or you can say that this video will be a tribute to all those midwives and nurses who are working selflessly in this profession to treat the COVID-19 patients, even without taking care of their own lives. So they are the most hardworking and selfless souls, I can say. So I really appreciate their work, and via this video I would like to give a tribute to whole community of nurses, and I will be sharing some of the video or the pictures of my friends and students who are working in this profession. So they are also doing great for the mankind. So students, be connected till the last of the video. I will be sharing words, information related to COVID-19, lockdown, and nurses also. So stay tuned. So firstly, we will discuss that what is COVID-19. So it is coronavirus disease 19. And why 19 is used? Because its first outbreak was traced in December 2019. And what actually it is? As the name suggests, it is a virus, and viruses are really dangerous and deadly for humans especially, or for living beings, because the virus needs a host. So host means a person or a thing on which we can depend for the survival. तो host क्या है जिसमें हम depend हो सकते हैं अपने survival के लिए. And the favorite host of viruses are always the human, because they get all those favorable conditions to grow inside our body, and then they adapt according to our body. तो adapt कर जाते हैं हमारी body के accordingly, and this is the only reason that they are not traced at the initial level. So traced means इनका पता नहीं चलता है beginning stage में. So this is the basic information. Now going ahead, we'll discuss some words also. So every disease has a symptom. You know that. So symptom means a sign or a signal that your body is giving. Similarly, the coronavirus is also having some symptoms, but we will not go into that detail because the symptoms are like a flu only. But here the person can feel more fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness. A person can be more weak, more tired, more dull all the day. Okay. So it is a respiratory ailment. So respiratory means it affects our capacity to breathe. हमारी breathing capacity पे ये असर करता है. And ailment means disease. Okay. So you can say that this disease debilitates our respiratory system. So debilitates means it weakens, it hinders, it reduces the capacity of breathing. it chokes our respiratory system. मतलब respiratory system के तो धज्जियां उड़ा के रख देता है. So this ailment means this disease debilitates means it weakens our respiratory system. So these are the basic symptoms or the signals. Now actually from where this disease came, we all know that it came from China, and so origin or the genesis of this disease was traced back in December 2019 in the province of China called as Wuhan. Okay, so genesis means origin, outbreak, where it was first seen, सबसे पहले कहाँ मिला, that is called as genesis. In the province of Wuhan, province means a state obviously. Okay, so वहाँ से ये क्या हुआ, that it spread like a rapid fire. Okay, to all other 6 continents and all other continents and all other places of the globe. So the evidences says that, evidences means proofs. Evidence or the proofs say that it's highly infectious. It's highly infectious means it's transferable, it's highly communicable and contagious. So contagious means a disease which is you can say that spread or communicate or spread from one person to another. That is contagious. So coronavirus is a completely contagious disease. It spread from human to human contact. Although it is spreading from human to human contact, but the etiology of this virus basically says that it came from the animal population. So etiology is basically a branch of science which deals with the causes and origin of diseases. So it is different from the word etymology. हमने एक word किया था previous video में, etymology, that was with the origin of the words. But etiology is it also deals with the origin, but it deals with the origin of diseases. It's a branch of science that deals with the origin and causes of diseases. So the etiology of COVID-19 says that it came from bats or animal population. So that is why it is an epizootic. So epizootic means zootic. Basically zootic or the zoo word is from animals. Zoo is animals ना. तो epizootic वो disease जो animals की वजह से होता है. So it is an epizootic because it came from the virus which is present in the bats, that is coronavirus. But nowadays it is now transferable from human to human also. Okay, so this is highly contagious. So when it was spreading, it spread firstly in Wuhan, China. So जब तक तो ये वुहान में ही था, सिर्फ वुहान और चाइना में ही था, तब तक ये क्या था, एंडेमिक. It was endemic to Wuhan, China. Means it was affecting a small number of population. तो एंडेमिक का मतलब होता है नेटिव, मतलब वहां का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक और लेते हैं एग्जाम्पल, मलेरिया इज एंडेमिक टू द हॉट एंड द मॉइस्ट प्लेसेस. कहाँ होता है, सिर्फ जहां पे हॉट एंड मॉइस्ट प्लेसेस होते हैं. तो ऐसे ही जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ, इट वॉज नेटिव टू वुहान, चाइना, दैट इज एंडेमिक. सो वेन एवर अ डिजीज जो जहां से स्टार्ट होता है या फिर बहुत कम पॉपुलेशन को असर करता है, दैट इज एंडेमिक. लेटर ऑन इट स्प्रेड्स टू होल ऑफ द चाइना. तो पूरे चाइना में फैला, कोई और प्रोविंसेस में भी फैला चाइना के अंदर. तो इट केम इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ एपिडेमिक. सो इट बिकेम एपिडेमिक. एपिडेमिक मतलब वो जब पूरी की पूरी एक कम्युनिटी और एक पूरी की पूरी स्टेट को हिला के रखते, काफी ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन को इफेक्ट करे. So that is epidemic. So second stage is epidemic. But now it has become a pandemic. So from endemic was the first stage when it was just located in the province of Wuhan, China, to epidemic means when it started affecting the whole of the China, and the last stage now is pandemic. So WHO declared this coronavirus as pandemic, means it is affecting all over the globe. So it is a pandemic right now. So in order to prevent the human loss, we have to take a lot of measures. So measures means the corrective actions or the steps, and the government has already taken many of the steps. Okay, the first immediate step taken by the government or the officials was lockdown. So we came across this word for very first time, I think. Lockdown means when every operation of the economy left stand still. सब कुछ वहीं का वहीं stand still रख दिया गया. And people were asked to stay at home. Means to stay in self-isolation. So isolation means individually living inside the home and maintaining social distancing. Social distancing means बाहर जाके लोगों को नहीं मिलना, सोसाइटी से हमें डिस्टेंस रखना है, दूरी बना के रखनी है सोसाइटी से. So this was the new word we came across after COVID-19. Lockdown, stay inside home, isolation, social distancing and quarantine. So we all are quarantined, means we are requested to stay inside the home because actually the virus spread from the touch, from human to human contact, from by talking to the infectious person, by sitting close to that person. So it is a contagious virus. So this was the first measure or the step or the corrective action taken by the officials. Here we can use one more word, that is carrot and stick policy. So carrot and stick policy is what? The person who are voluntarily contributing towards the welfare of the country and the citizens. जो लोग तो खुद घर पे रह रहे हैं या जो लोग खुद वॉलंटरी जाके कुछ सर्विस कर रहे हैं, सेल्फलेस सर्विस कर रहे हैं, सोशल सर्विस कर रहे हैं, तो उनको गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है? अवार्ड कर रही है, दैट इज ऑनर कर रही है. ओके, सो दैट इज यू कैन से दैट कैरेट, गिविंग अ अवार्ड. या फिर लोगों को घर बैठे जो गवर्नमेंट है ट्राई कर रही है कि कितना हम उनको जो है उनका सारा ग्रोसरीज वगैरह दे दें. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज, दिस इज व्हाट एप्रिसिएशन, दैट इज कैरेट. एंड स्टिक पॉलिसी मीन्स the government is punishing all those who are deliberately spreading this virus. Deliberately मतलब जानबूझ के जो ये वायरस को स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं उसको वो गवर्नमेंट जो है पनिश कर रही है. So this is another word, that is carrot and stick policy. You can use this word whenever you are writing an essay or speaking about this topic or any other topic. You can use this word. Okay. So many other measures were taken by the government also. The another one are like social gathering has been banned. Social gathering, gather होना, इकट्ठे होना बिल्कुल बैन कर दिया गया है. Banned means prohibited, stopped, proscribed, outlawed and forbidden. On the other hand side, borders are totally sealed, concealed, and you can say that basically they are also maintaining a distance from other countries. So they are sealed and tightly sealed or concealed. Okay. And traveling, you can say that travel or the flight or the traveling is also restricted. Restricted means controlled. It's also, you can say that it's not going in the usual manner. पहले जैसे नहीं है. Okay. These were all the government measures or the actions that are taken by the government or the officials. Now what we can do on the individual level? We can first step, like what we can take on our level is the precaution. Because precaution is better than cure. We always heard that prevention is better than cure. So precautionary measures or the preventive measures which we have to take is all we know, I think. So that is sanitizing, cleaning our hands, and sterilizing the equipments we use, and do not visiting the people, especially do not visit the vulnerable people. So vulnerable people means those people who are highly prone to this virus, who are highly capable of catching this virus. Vulnerable means जो ऑलरेडी बहुत वीक हैं और जिनको ये वायरस जल्दी इफेक्ट कर सकता है, दैट इज वल्नरेबल. सो द मोस्ट वल्नरेबल और द वीक पॉपुलेशन इज द चिल्ड्रन एंड द ओल्डर वंस and the senior citizens. So do not visit your grandparents nowadays. Okay, so you can use these words: vulnerable, weak, and susceptible. The person who are susceptible to this disease, who are highly prone to this disease, so they are children and the older ones. So these steps we can take on our level, that is personal level, individual level, that every concerned citizen must take. Okay. Now next is, in order to flatten the curve. Flatten the curve means to reduce the chances of getting infected. Flatten curve मतलब पहले curve कैसे था, ऐसे. So in order to flatten the curve, flat करना है हमने curve को, खत्म करना है इस disease को, तो we need to stay home, we need to follow these steps, because the actual symptoms take 14 days to develop or even more. And nowadays, a situation is arising that asymptomatic population is more. So two types of people are there, symptomatic and asymptomatic. Symptomatic diseases जब बंदा साइन शो करना शुरू कर देता है कि उसको डिजीज है, that is symptoms दिख रहे हैं, signals दिख रहे हैं. Anyone who is having a running nose and all. Asymptomatic is symptoms ही नहीं दिख रहे हैं. So asymptomatic is more problematic. So asymptomatic is more fatal, more deadly and more hazardous. मतलब ये और भी खतरनाक है सिम्टोमेटिक में से, बिकॉज सिम्टोमेटिक तो ट्रेस हो जाता है, ये ट्रेस नहीं होता. तो एसिम्टोमेटिक कैन इफेक्ट द वल्नरेबल पीपल, तो ये दूसरे लोगों को बहुत जल्दी इफेक्ट करेगा. ओके, सो इट नीड्स अ प्रोलॉन्ग्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो प्रोलॉन्ग्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन का मतलब है इसको काफी देर तक अंडर आए उस पेशेंट को रखना पड़ता है. वंस अ पेशेंट इज टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव फॉर कोरोना वायरस, तो उसको काफी देर तक अपनी स्क्रूटनी में रखना पड़ता है. स्क्रूटनी मीन्स ऑब्जर्वेशन के अंडर रखना पड़ता है, उसको अंडर द आई रखना पड़ता है, देखना पड़ता है. सो प्रोलॉन्ग्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, बिकॉज जो 14 डेज का पीरियड है उसका डेवलप होने का, उससे पहले तो जस्ट अ टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग कैन बी नोटिस्ड. टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग मीन्स कि सिर्फ 1-2% ही सिम्टम सामने आते, एक्चुअली में कुछ अभी सामने नहीं आता. सो टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग इज द अनदर वर्ड यू हैव लर्न्ड वाया दिस. टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग. For example, when you do not know any person completely, so you can say that I have seen just a tip of iceberg. I've just seen a trailer of him. अभी पूरी स्टोरी नहीं पता है. So the same thing is with the coronavirus. So it's very important to stay at home and follow all the precautionary measures. So lastly, I would like to tell you that we have already discussed the negative repercussions of COVID-19. So negative repercussions means outcome और द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस जो हम फेस कर ही रहे थे, जो सब लोग फेस कर रहे हैं. नेगेटिव रिपरकशंस के जो उसने इफेक्ट किया है हम पे नेगेटिवली, वो सारा तो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. बट नाउ टेक अ लुक ऑन अ पॉजिटिव साइड. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स हैव अ ग्लांस ऑन इट्स पॉजिटिव साइड. व्हाट आर द पॉजिटिव रिपरकशंस ऑफ कोविड-19? द फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव रिपरकशन विच आई फील इज दैट although we are physically apart but mentally stable and connected to our families. So we got the time to spend with our family. We got the time to pursue our hobbies. Pursue means continue. And we also have enough time to introspect, means to scrutinize ourselves for self-analysis. सेल्फ एनालिसिस, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, इसका मतलब है कि खुद को जानने का भी हमें मौका मिला है. because with the help of introspection we are learning new skills. For example, you may have seen some are cooking, some are dancing, some are learning new skills. So that's a very positive side of COVID-19. Even I am cooking new dishes daily. So it's a positive note of COVID-19. And even apart from this, we can see that nature is healing. So our nature is also healing, means it's also restoring its original, you can say that identity. वो अपनी original identity की तरफ जा रही है. So it's restoring, it's revamping, it's regenerating. Means it's growing again, it's coming to its original state again. It's healing. So I think so that this is the biggest gift that coronavirus has given to us. So do not panic, stay at home, learn the words, stay connected with me. I will be coming with new videos and make this challenging or the hard time a better one for you. Use this time to make a better version of yourself so that you can remember it in a positive way. So stay happy and safe.